Let's review how to use the dot chart accordion on the Charter page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative section, and open the Charter page. Click on the dot chart accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you'll find an interactive workspace that converts raw data into visual points for quick comparisons. Set your x-axis and y-axis titles, for example, years and attendance, then enter values for each group: attorneys, clients, judges, paralegals, and witnesses. Each appears as a colored dot, giving an instant view of performance or participation. You can add, remove, or adjust datasets anytime, and the chart updates instantly. You can download in multiple formats, share securely, or undo and redo steps as needed. The dot chart accordion helps legal professionals identify trends, outliers, and performance patterns at a glance, turning complex data into clear, actionable insight, all within Toolkit.law's creative suite. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's dot chart accordion.